So this is how you can freeze a video in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today you will learn how to freeze videos. So this will be a very simple fix. As you can see, I have my video right here. It's a meme. And so we're gonna want to tap on our video. And as you can see, you will see a lot of buttons here. This is your cursor, the undo and redo buttons, the split and deletes, bookmark, freeze, rewind, and the other buttons. Now, obviously, you're going to want to tap on freeze. So just do that, and it will freeze the current frame that you're on. So as you can see, it has frozen a long version of that frame. Now let's try it on another frame. Just tap on the video, and then tap on this freeze button. It's going to look like a square with two other lines on the side of it. So tap on that, and here you go. It's very simple. All you have to do is just pick a frame, tap on the video, and freeze. You can do it as much as you like. Now let's see it happen. As you can see, it moves here and then stops here and then moves again. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.